Flaxseed, nutrient-rich marvel and omega-3 power. Flaxseed is also referred to as linseed, is a small nutritious, high-nutrient marvel that has been utilized for ages to reap the many benefits of. It is loaded with vital nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, fiber, and numerous minerals and vitamins. Flaxseed is becoming more popular with health-conscious people. In this post, we'll look at the flaxseed's nutritional profile and its benefits for health and ways you can incorporate flaxseed into your daily diet. Flaxseed is an excellent in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly the alpha-linolenic acids, ALA, that is a kind of polyunsaturated fat. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital to the human body and are associated with many advantages for health. They play an important role in the health of your brain, decreasing inflammation and enhancing the health of your heart. Flaxseed is among the most potent plant sources of omega-3s. This makes it a great option for those who are following the vegan or vegetarian diet. Alongside omega-3s, flaxseed is also a good source of fiber in the diet. Fiber is vital to maintain a healthy digestive system and helps control the levels of blood sugar. Additionally, it aids losing weight by encouraging satisfaction, making you feel more full for longer. Flaxseed fiber is both insoluble and soluble, which makes it a great option for improving digestive health and helping prevent constipation. Flaxseed is a good source of protein from plants. Protein is vital for a variety of body functions, such as the growth of muscles and their repair, as well as hormone production and immunity. In contrast to animal-based protein sources, flaxseed is lower in cholesterol and saturated fats, which makes it a better alternative. Incorporating flaxseed into your diet can be particularly beneficial to vegans and vegetarians who are at a greater chance of having protein deficiencies. Flaxseed's nutritional value isn't finished at that point. Flaxseed also has a variety of minerals and vitamins, such as magnesium, vitamin B, manganese, and magnesium. These minerals are essential to overall well-being and are involved in a variety of body activities. Vitamin B is one example. Vitamin B is essential to produce energy and improve functioning of the brain, and magnesium is vital to bone health as well as the functioning of muscles. Manganese plays a role in the process of metabolism as well as the development of connective tissue. Flaxseed's health benefits extend beyond the nutritional value. Research has shown that flaxseed can help reduce the risk of developing heart diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids found in flaxseed may increase cholesterol levels and reduce the amount of LDL, bad cholesterol, as well as the triglycerides. Flaxseed also contains the lignans, which are plant-based substances that possess antioxidant properties that can help to reduce inflammation within the body. Flaxseed is also linked with a lower risk of some types of cancers, such as prostate cancer, breast cancer, as well as colon cancer. Lignans are also playing an important role in this respect. They possess estrogen-like properties and can help control hormonal balance. This could help in the prevention of hormonal-related cancers. But further research is required in this field to understand fully the possible advantages. Integrating flaxseed in your daily diet is fairly simple. Ground flaxseed is by far the most frequently used type, since it's easier for your body to absorb and digest the nutritional value. It is possible to sprinkle ground flaxseed over your yogurt, breakfast cereal, smoothies, or other foods for additional nutritional benefits. Flaxseed can also be utilized to replace eggs for baking, which makes it a great alternative for people who are allergic to eggs or who are following a vegan lifestyle. Whole flaxseed may also be consumed, but it's important to remember that your body is unable to take in the entire seeds. In order to maximize the nutritional value of flaxseed, it is advised to crush them prior to consumption. Flaxseed can be ground in your own kitchen using a coffee grinder or by pre-ground flaxseed at your local supermarket retailer. It is essential to properly store flaxseed in order to preserve its freshness and its nutritional worth. Flaxseed in its entirety can be kept in an airtight container in an area that is cool and dry, and ground flaxseed must be stored in the fridge to avoid becoming rancid. Flaxseed oil, made from seeds, is also best stored in the fridge and consumed within the first few weeks after the opening date to avoid deoxidation. The conclusion is that flaxseed is an amazing source of nutrients that provides many health advantages. From its omega-3 fatty acids amount to the fiber content, vitamin, protein as well as minerals, it can be described as an incredible source of nutrients. The potential of flaxseed to reduce the risk of developing heart diseases and some kinds of cancers, together as its contribution to digestive health and weight loss, is a great supplement to every food plan. Why not add some flaxseed ground in your next meal to benefit from the superfood that is so amazing?